Hey everyone, in this video I want to go over f-string for Python. So normally if you want to do, people use f-strings mainly to embed expressions inside string literals. So here are a few tips and tricks. So normally let's say people want to print using f-string, do like this, and all you need to do is print the same thing, and let's say, let's compare, for example, name, max, age 30, and the city, ODC, say for example, name, forgot to string, so it's from NYC, and also do number formatting, for example, pi, so say 3.14159, and print pi. Something like this, so it will format to so you can do hexadecimal. Let's say n equal to 64 values, and you can do hash £, sorry, that will convert it to hex. And what else? We can do arithmetic operation. Equal to 15. We can do something like n plus m. Also with the formatted string here, basically 2 decimal float. So yeah, you can perform simple expressions inside f-string. Also, you can access dynamic attributes. For example, class, person, define it, so name, age, dot name, max, name, so dot age, say age, and then you can call the person. Let's go with max, say 30, attribute, name. So we are trying to use attribute to access dynamically. So basically print person's attribute, you can use get attribute, person, and Oh, here's the hair person. Okay, this is how you access the dynamic attribute access. Also can use it for self-documenting expressions. So we can do conditional expressions. So here we do, let's say, value 420 print. I don't know, it's like a Elon's favorite number. So the value is, let's try even and odd, so keep it simple. Even if mod 2 equal to 0 else do odd. So basically simple conditionals inside f string. And also f strings support dictionary access. So let's say go back to person. So name. Let's go with max also. Age 30 print. So this is accessing a dictionary directly from f string. So person and then key value pair using is, then we can get person age So this is how to access the dictionary using f string. And you can also create multi-line f string. So here you do, let's say, let's go with the max also, age 30. So example, if you want to create multi-line, you can do something like this name. This is very flexible, the f string. And just print it out. So something like this. Also, you can use f string as an argument. So here's how you do it. So name. Let's go with max also. Then we want to convert it to uppercase. And you can also access local variables inside the nested scopes. So this is how you do it. Let's define outer function. Let's say number it's 28. Define, let's say, inner function. Say n from outer. And we can call inner function. And we can call outer function. So this is how you access the local variables in the nested scopes using f strings. I guess that's it for this video. Let me know if you have any more questions.